Hello. Good morning, all of you. All students write in the comment section. Screen and voice comes clear to. Good morning. Now today question number 5 of exercise 9.1, in that we have to solve the equation and we have to find the value of variable. Before it, first all the students, let me confirm that screen is visible clearly and my voice is also comes clearly to all of you. Write in the comment section yes sir, both screen and voice. Okay, now I have to start. In question number 5, what we do? We have to find the value of variable. We have to solve the equation and we have to find the value of variable. In question number 5, A1 part, what? 7 minus 3x. 7 minus 3x is equals to 4. 7 minus 3x equals to 4. What in that one question we do? We have to find the value of variable. So see there, this one is an equation or expression. All the student write in the comment section, this one complete is an equation or an expression. Write the correct answer in the comment section, all of you. This one we have to call an equation or an expression, an algebraic equation, or what we can say that an algebraic expression. What we can say that? Okay, equation. One student is written equation. Yes, is it correct? We call this one is an equation. Why we have to call this one is an equation? Because they are equals to sign is present and on that one equals to left hand side one value is present, on that one right hand side one value is present. So this one complete we have to call an equation. This one complete we have to call an equation. And if I am talking about only this one part, if I am talking about only this one part, this one equals to 4 if I am not considered. So what we have to call? What we have to call? You have to write the correct answer in the comment section first. Write in the comment section first. Very good. One student is written there algebraic expression. Very good. Means equation and expression, both things. All the students very clear, crystal clear. Mean now we have to start this one question solution. Now in that one question, what we have to do? In that one question, we have to find the value. We have to find the value of x. We have to find the value of x. So we have to write first as it is this one equation. We have to write as it is this one equation. Now what we have to do in the next step, we have to separate the variable terms. We have to separate the variable terms, and other than variable, what present in the equation? Constant. Other than variable, what terms are present in the equation? Constant. So we have to separate the variable terms and constant terms. Separate means we have to write variable terms on the left hand side or either right hand side, or constant terms either right hand side or left hand side. So see there minus 3x is on, there minus 3x is on left hand side. So we have to write this one not on right hand side. We have to consider that this one is on only left hand side. So we have to write as it is minus 3x there. Now with it what? With 8 7, and 7 sign is what? Plus. So this one 7 is what? Constant. This one 7 is what? Constant. So we have to separate the variable and constant term. So this one 7 I have to send. This one 7 we send on the right hand side. So when I have to send this one 7 on the right hand side, so see there, here 7 sign is what? Before 7 no sign is there, means that this one 7 is of plus sign. So when I have to send this one 7 on the right hand side, this one is converted into minus 7. There 4 is already present, and when I have to send this one 7 on the right hand side, this one is converted into minus 7. After it, minus 3x is as it is equals to 4 minus 7. 4 minus 7 is what? Minus 3. Now question is asking there, solve the equation, means we have to find the value of variable. But if we have to observe there, here with x with variable minus 3 is also present. So what we have to do? We have to send this one minus 3 also on the right hand side. So see there, here x is multiplied with minus 3. X is multiplied with minus 3. So when we have to change the side, multiply is converted into divide. So in next step, what we have to write? X equals to minus 3 divided by minus 3. So minus 3 is cancelled out by minus 3. So what remaining? 1. So x value is what? 1. Is it clear to all of you? Is it clear to all of you? Write in the comment. Yes sir. Crystal clear. Now B1, question number 5th, B1 part is what? 15 upon x minus 1. 15 upon x minus 1 is equals to 2. In that one question also, we have to solve the equation and we have to find the value of unknown variable. So what important thing is that you have to separate the variable terms and constant term. You have to write either variable terms on the left hand side or right hand side, same as you have to write the constant term either on right hand side or left hand side. So see there, in that one question number 5th B1 part, question is 15 upon x minus 1 is equals to 2. So this one is variable term. This one is what? This one is variable term. This one is variable term. This one is constant and this one is also constant. So on the right hand side constant is present. So what we do? We send this one minus 1 on the right hand side. So what? Minus 1 is converted into plus 1. Minus 1 is converted into plus 1. So 15 upon x minus 1 is equals to 2. 15 upon x is equals to 2 plus 1. See there, what I have to do there, 15 upon x minus 1 equals to 2. So first I have to write this one equation as it is. After it I have to send this one minus 1 on the right hand side. Minus 1. Minus 1 is converted into plus. Why? When we have to change this sorry, when we have to change the side, minus 1 is converted into plus 1. So 2 plus 1. And on the right hand side, sorry, on the left hand side, what remaining? 15 upon x. So first we have to simplify right hand side term. 15 upon 15 upon x equals to 3. 15 upon x equals to 3. 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. Now, the value of x we have to find out. What we have to solve? We have to solve the equation and we have to find the value of x. So what we have to do? Now see there. This one is what? 15 upon x. This one is what? 15 upon x is equals to 3. So what we have to do? We have to cross multiply. We have to cross multiply. Cross multiply means what? This one is numerator value and this one is denominator value. On right hand side only numerator is given. Means this one is what? This one is numerator value. So its denominator we have to consider 1. Its denominator value we have to consider 1. Consider 1 means we have to assume that its denominator is what? 1. Its denominator is what? 1. Now we have to do cross multiply. Now we have to do cross multiply. So when we have to do cross multiply, when we have to do their cross multiply, so what value will come? 3x equals to 15. 3x equals to 15. 3x equals to 15. Now this one 3 I have to send on the right hand side. So 15 upon 3 will come. So x value what? X value will come 5. Is it clear or not? This question is clear. Question number 5th B1 part. Or again I have to explain. Okay, not clear. Now see in that one question number 5th B1 part. In that one question number 5th B1 part, in that question number 5th B1 part, question is 15 upon x minus 1 equals to 2. Question is 15 upon x minus 1 equals to 2. So when we have to solve this type of equation, so what first step we have to do? We have to separate. We have to separate the variable terms as well as constant term. Separate means we have to write the variable terms either on the left hand side or either on the right hand side. And the other than variable, what remaining? Constant terms are remaining. Other than variable, what terms are present in equation? Constant terms present. So what we have to do? We have to write either constant terms on the right hand side or on the left hand side. So see there, first as it is, I have to write as it is their equation. We have to not change there anything. Now see, this one minus 1, this one minus 1 is what? Constant term, and there on the right hand side constant is present. So what we have to do? We have to send this one minus 1 on the right hand side. So when we have to change the side, sign conversion, all you have to remember there, sign plus is convert, plus is convert into minus, and minus is converted into plus, multiply is converted into divide, and divide is converted into multiply. Divide is converted into multiply. So when we have to change this side, this type of sign conversion we have to apply there. So here -1 is there. So when we have to send this one -1 on the right hand side, -1 is converted into +1. So on the right hand side 2 is already present, and -1 when we have to send, so what come there? +1. And what remaining on the left hand side? 15 upon x. So 2 plus 1 is what? 3. 2 plus 1 is what? 3. And there on the left hand side 15 upon x is there. Now see, we want to find the value of x. We want to find the value of x. So see there on the right hand side. On the right hand side 3 is coming only. 3 is coming, and if we have to see there on the left hand side, the value is on the fraction. The value is written is on fraction, means one numerator value and one denominator value. So same we have to change the RHS side value into an fraction. How we have to change it? We have to write numerator value is 3 and denominator what we have to consider? Denominator we have to consider 1. We have to consider 1. Sir, 1 from where you have to write? We consider it 1. Okay, because when you have to divide 1 by 3, no change. 3 is coming only. Okay, so what we have to do there? We have to consider it. After it, what we have to do? We have to cross multiply. What we have to do? We have to do cross multiply like this. 15 multiply 1, 15. 3 multiply x, 3x. 15 multiply 1. 15 multiply 1 is 15, and 3 multiply x is what? 3x. Now after it, what? This one x value we want to find out. This one x value we want to find out. So 3 is multiplied with x. X is multiplied with 3 now. So what we have to do? We have to send this one 3 into the right hand side. So 3 is multiplied with x. So when we have to change this side? When we have to change this side, multiply is converted into divide. Multiply is converted into divide. So see there, x is equals to 15 upon 3. X is equals to 15 upon 3. So when we have to simplify it, 15 upon 3, what will come there? 5 will come. What will come? 5 will come. Now is it clear? Now is it clear? Please write, student, in the comment section, yes sir, is it clear? Okay, very good. One student is written crystal clear. Explain A1 also. Beta, now listen. Just now also you are facing any doubt. Sir, please explain A1 part and B1 part. So what you have to do? This one is live class. After the live class, the recorded video come on our school channel. So when you have to not understand na A1 part and B1 part. So what you have to do? You have to watch again. You have to watch again this one video. Understood? Because 2 and 3 more than 2 times I have to explain. Now we have to move on. Now question number 5 G1. Question number 5 G1 part. Question number 5 G1 part. Question 5 G1. Question 5 is what? Solve these equation. In G1 is written there 2 is multiplied with 3m minus 1 is equals to 2 is multiplied with 3m minus 1 is equals to m plus 10. So now see there, sir, in A1 part and B1 part you have to set that separate the variable and constant term. But how we have to solve this one question? Because if we have to see that there bracket term also present. They have bracket term also present. So if these type of questions are come, so how we have to simplify? Don't panic. See there, only what you have to do in that one more step. You have to open the bracket. You have to open the bracket, or what we can say that simplify the bracket. Simplify the bracket term means that this one 3m minus 1 is multiplied with 2. 3m minus 1 is multiplied with 2. So what we have to do? This one 2. This one 2 we have to multiply with 3m, and as well as this one 2 we have to multiply with 1 also. This one 2 we have to multiply by 3m, and as well as this one 2 we multiplied with 2 also. Where what we have to do there? We have to open the bracket. We have to simplify the bracket terms. So see there, 2 3m minus 1 is equals to m plus 10. So this one 2 we have to multiply with 3m. 2 multiplied with 3, what will come? 6m. 2 multiplied with 1, what come? 2. Now m plus 10. Till there, this one step, is it clear? This one step, is it clear to all of you, sir? How you have to write there 6m minus 2? All you have understood? Have you understood how we have to write there 6m minus 2? Because if you have to not understood this one, so you have to what? You have to facing doubt, sir, how we have to simplify this one bracket term. So please write in the comment section, sir, yes, is it clear or is it not clear? Screen is blurred. 2 students are writing there, screen is blurred, sir. All students are facing same problem. All are facing same problem. Yes, sir, screen is blurred. Write it in the comment section. Okay, I have to set technical team. Technical team. Okay, now 2 and 3 students are writing, no sir, screen is not blurred. Okay. Now see there. Till there all of you clear? Till there all of you clear? 6m minus 2. 6m minus is equals to m plus 10. Now see, we have to separate now variable terms. We have to separate now variable terms and constant term. This one is variable term and this one is variable term. So right hand side variable term we have to send. Right hand side variable term we have to send on the left hand side. So what in the next we have to write there? 6m. This one m which on the right hand side I have to send into on the left hand side. So plus m is converted into minus m. And there 10 is present, and this one minus 2 I have to send on the right hand side. Minus 2 is converted into plus 2. After it 6m minus m is what? 5m. And 10 plus 2 is what? 12. Now m value is what? 12 divided by 5. This one is our final answer. Is it clear to all of you? There in that one question only we have to do one more step. We have to simplify the bracket, and the other steps are same. The other steps are same. We have to do in that question number A1 and B1 part. This same step we have to perform there. But one more step is what? We have to simplify the bracket. Write it in the comment. Yes sir, clear. Now after it we have to take question number 7. After it we have to take question number 7. Students, if you are facing the problem of screen is blur, so what you have to do, that you have to change the pixel setting. Means you have to play your YouTube video now on the 144 or 240 pixels, so you have to change your pixel setting. Okay, after it you have to not facing this one type of problem, sir, screen is blur. You have to change your pixel setting. Question number H1 part also, sir. Okay, question number H1 part is very easy. See there, in that one question number H1 part, what is written there? N minus 5 upon 3 equals to 0. N minus 5 upon 3 is equals to 0. Now see there, in that one question, in that one question, what we have to do? We have to cross multiply. Direct we have to do cross multiply there, sir. How we have to do there cross multiply? Because of the left hand side term value is in fraction form, so right hand side value also we have to change it in fraction form. So how we have to change it? We have to consider the right hand side denominator part is what? Sorry, the right hand side denominator part is what? 1. The right hand side denominator part, what we have to consider? 1. Okay, so now we have to cross multiply. Now we have to do their cross multiply. So we have to multiply 1. We have to multiply this one 1 by n minus 5. This one 1 we have to multiply with n minus 5. And this one is what? 0 multiply 3. What we have to do there? Here we have to do cross multiply. Now 1 is multiplied with any term, same value will come. So what come? N minus 5. And 0 multiply 3 is what? 0 multiply 3 is 0. Value you have to multiply any value. You have to multiply any value by 0. So result what come? Always 0 come. So see there, n minus 5 equals to 0, and question is asking that solve the equation. Means that find the value of variable. So variable is what there? In that one question, variable is n. So this one n minus 5 equals to 0 is written. So we have to separate variable and constant term. So minus 5 when I have to send on the right hand side, what value will come? N equals to 0 plus 5, and 0 plus 5 is what? 5. So n value is what? 5. Is it clear? Now write all of you homework question. Write your homework question. This one homework question answer you have to write in the comment after solve. Okay, all of you write sum of two consecutive even number. Sum of two Even numbers is 22. Find the numbers. Find the numbers. This one is your homework question. This one is the word problem. Okay. All you have to write it. This one question fast. All you have to take it a screenshot. Take it a screenshot. If you don't write fast, take it a screenshot. Now I have to end today's session. I have to end. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.